Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. And in this video I'm going to cover how to evaluate expressions with exponents. Now, when we evaluate an expression, we find the value of the expression. So, what it equals once we work through it. Now for our examples, we're going to evaluate the expressions when x equals 4. So, let's jump into number 1, where we have 3x to the power of 2 plus 7. So, I'm gonna tell you guys a quick reminder on how exponents n to the power of 2, 3, and 4 work, just so you guys can understand this a little bit better. And one more thing before we start, if you don't yet understand how the order of operation works, click off this video before we get started. Go watch the other videos from my channel on the power of, the order of operations, so you can understand how we're gonna solve this problem. So, in case of exponents, this little number up here, the 2, tells us how many times we have to multiply the digit by itself. So as we can see, the power of 2, the exponent, is above the x. This means we have to multiply the x by itself 2 times. This means x to the power of 2. Let's say this 2 was a 3, so like this. Then we would have to do x times x times x. So, quick little refresher for you guys, and now we can get started. So, when evaluating expressions, the first step I like to take is I like to rewrite the whole expression. So, we're going to do this by plugging the value of our variable in. So we have 3 times 4 to the power of 2 plus 7. And this is a multiplication sign because if there's a variable right next to a number, you have to multiply. So now we have our expression fully plugged in and fully sorted out. We can just start solving this. And again, if you don't understand the order of operations, click off this video, go watch my other video about the order of operations, and then you can come back. So, in the order of operations, the exponent comes before multiplication. So this means we have to solve our exponent first. So, we have to do 4 to the power of 2. 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4. This equals 16. So, let's do it like this, 16. And now we can rewrite this one more time. So we have 3 times 16 plus 7. And now we can just solve it normally. So we're going to do 3 times 16. This will equal 48. And then we're going to add 7. 48 plus 7 will equal 55 as our final answer. So this was the first example. And now we're going to go to our second example. So, for our second example, we have 2x to the power of 3 minus 5x. As you can see, in this problem, we have two variables. As you can see, we have 2x and 5x. So, we have to plug in this value of 4 two times. So, this is what we're going to do. So, we're going to do 2 times 4 to the power of 3 minus 5 times 4. And again, we're multiplying by 4 because the variable is right next to the number. So now we have our expression. We can start by solving this. So to solve this again, we're going to start by solving the exponent. So 4 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3 is basically 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 times 4 will equal 64. 64. Because 4 times 4 equals 16, and then times 4 again equals 64. So, now we have that sorted out, we can plug this in right here. So now we have 2 times 64 minus 5 times 4. And now we can start by solving this whole problem. So we're going to start with the left multiplication, where we have 2 times 64. Well, 2 times 64 will equal 128. 128. So we are done with the left side. Now we can go over to the right side. The right side, we have to do 5 times 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. And we can just bring our subtraction straight down. And now we have 128 minus 20. And of course, this will equal 108 for our final answer. So these were the two examples. If you guys would like more examples, tell to me in the comments that you want more examples, and I will make this another video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments if you have any, of course. And as always, this was Mr. Mathz, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.